The lock nut is one of two flanges that secure the grinding wheels to your grinder. It has a 5/8 inch threaded hole, so it can be secured to the grinder's spindle. One side has a 7/8 inch hub for attaching standard grinding wheels to the grinder. The other side is flat and can be used to secure thin cutting discs or diamond wheels. The hub on the lock nut can wear over time, causing the grinding wheel to wobble. Replacing the lock nut is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the nut from the grinder. I'll engage the spindle lock and use my wrench to remove the nut. Now I can install the new nut. I would place whatever grinding wheel I was using onto the grinder. If I'm using a standard grinding wheel, I'll install the nut so the side with a 7/8 flange is down against the wheel. If I was using a cutoff wheel or a diamond cutting wheel, I would install the flange so the flush side is against the wheel. Then I just thread the nut onto the spindle, engage the spindle lock, and secure the nut with the wrench. And that's how easy it is to replace the nut on your grinder. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.